Yo. Okay, yeah, we live. What is good? What's going on, guys? I sound a little out of place. I didn't see it say go live. Welcome back to the Shill stream. Man, today was a pretty good day. Stock market, crypto, everything. So if you're an investor, hopefully that put a smile on your face. I know my big cousin, he hit me up. He was like, man, things going pretty good today, man. You know, my wife, I got my wife actually investing a little bit using the Cash App, man. I'm so happy to see that. My wife is investing in stocks. She ain't in crypto, and I'm not trying to get her in crypto because I look at it as my high risk hedge against everything else. And I don't want to drag her down that rabbit hole. Granted, she wouldn't anyway. She would buy some, but she wouldn't like jump into the rabbit hole. But nonetheless, man, she's investing in stocks, so that feels pretty good, man. Everybody should have had a pretty solid day. David Vasquez, what up, man? Said, hi, we hope up to 20,000. Is that what you said, 20,000? What you think? Hey, man, I mean, Bitcoin is about to, let me see. Mr. Lodak just said 10K BTC. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's popping. Yeah, Bitcoin, did it touch 10K? Did it touch 10K? Let's go ahead and switch over, man. Let's. Matter of fact, we're gonna still do our intro, man. The stocks ain't going nowhere, so we're gonna definitely talk about this, man. If you're new to the channel, though, you know, make sure when you get here, you hit that like button, but definitely consider subscribing, man, because we do this every single day, 8 p.m. Eastern time. You can catch me here, and I talk with everybody who jumps in the chat, man. You know, we talk about anything, crypto, stocks, you know, long-term retirement strategies, whatever, man. Anything you guys want to talk about. But I'm not even going to waste a bunch of time on the intro. I want to look at the charts real quick. And this is not a technical analysis channel. I don't really do TA, but it's the charts. You got to look at them, right? Got to look at the charts.
Low-key.
Lodak just said 10K. What was that? Oh, it did. So it just wicked at 10K, huh? Was that just now, or was that earlier today that it wicked at 10K? And then it wicked again over here at 10K? Let's zoom in, man. Let's zoom in. Let's find out. Oh, we was just at 10K moments ago. And we're really close right now. Let me pull this window out. We're really close right now, as you guys can see. 99.87. Which is fantastico. Oh man, MG Tao, man, it's something I don't even want to hear, man. You know, I got some of my friends, man. It's so savage, man. MG Tao said the unemployment report comes out tomorrow, so maybe he said maybe we dump. I wonder if crypto's gonna dump or if it's gonna be the stock market that dumps because of that. And you know, I got friends, man, that's out of work right now that got laid off, man. I got some of my friends' family members, my own family members. It's crazy, man. Like, you know, I'm from New York, so I'm from where, you know, I don't live in New York. I live in Florida for the past almost 5 years. But everybody I know is from up there, so I see so many people that's very, very negatively affected, man. Trying to take it from the ginger ale to the LaCroix, man. I'm trying to take it easy. Drink too much soda lately, man. Like 6 months ago, I wasn't like this. Hey, Tex Mason, what up, bro? How you, man? Peace and love right back, man. Hey, David Vasquez, man. I don't know, man. 20,000. This might be the year we finally do it again, man. It's like everything's here, man. Everything's here now. Like, we done been through the mud. We done been through the mud already. Like, it seems like we done capitulated. You know, we found the bottom, because even when we was about to bottom again, like we bounced off that 3,000. Granted, it could have been because of, you know, BitMEX. I think we dumped because of BitMEX to begin with. So regardless of how it happened, I still think that we found our bottom. And we got everything now. We got all the investor tools, like for retail investors to just jump in easily. It's on Cash App, the #1 app in finance in the Apple Store. Like Cash App, bro. That's the #1 finance app. in the Apple Store is Cash App, not PayPal, not Robinhood, not, I don't know, Vanguard or whatever kind of retirement account, it's fund app or something. It's straight up Cash App, and they only sell Bitcoin as a cryptocurrency. And they just added stocks not very long ago. So the way I look at it, you know, there's gonna be a big FOMO wave that occurs. And MG Taz said, you know, not convinced by this rally yet. I feel you, man. I feel you. I'm still, dude, the title of my video yesterday, DCA. I did my dollar cost average today. And this is my, like, usually like the second week of the month is when I have very minimal bills and I could actually really like throw some money in. Nope. I'm not doing it. I'm still dollar cost averaging. So I don't plan on FOMOing at all. Granted, I want to have more Bitcoin right now. I'm still not FOMOing at all. I'll earn it, man. I'll earn it. I'll dollar cost average, because the way I look at it, man, FOMO is what makes me also sell, because I end up throwing in too much early on. I get a little wrecked, and then I change my mind about it, and I start to feel different. I'm like, man, let me go into some alts, or man, I actually expected it to go up, and I kind of need this money for something else. I want to invest into like I don't know, I want to invest into like some equipment or something, and I'm good, bro. So I'm taking it easy. I'm just dollar cost averaging, but I do think 20K finally reaching that number again is possible. And this time around, if we get there, like, I think we're gonna stay high. Like, we're gonna stay high. Like, I honestly, like, if we get 20K, the only reason I'm not sure is because like 20K to me is not even gonna be like it's not gonna stay there. Once we get in that range, once we pass like 17, 18,000, bro, I think we taking off 30,000, because it's like finally we got back there. That's it. Hey, Born Majesty, what's up, bro? He said, I'm a new subscriber to your channel, chill vibe, and it's good seeing another brother in crypto and investing. Hey, thanks a lot, man. You know, hey, Pseudo Greek, I didn't even see you, bro. He said next target 10.5K. Hey, man, thank you, yo. You know, I've been seeing a lot more people telling me that. You know, everybody, I rock with everybody. Everybody rocks with me in terms of like race and stuff like that. Obviously, nobody really cares about that stuff, but there really isn't a lot of like brothers doing this joint, man. So a lot of people been saying that lately, and I'm like, yo, man, I gotta really stick to it, man. I gotta really stick to it. So thank you very much, bro. Man, before we get into some more talks though, and we're gonna keep on looking at this chart to see what happens. You know, check me out on Twitter if you're interested in hitting me up. You can hit me up on Twitter. I just joined the status app, and then one of the homies, oh man, I forget his name. I think it was Emil. He sent me a couple of status just so I could get my ETH name, which I think I already registered that name but didn't like do it right. So I think I already have the rights to the name I want to use before one of y'all steal it. But yeah, you can hit me up on here. Very easy to find me on Twitter. I'm not really even trying to get my followers up. Not right now on Twitter. It's just, if y'all trying to reach me during the off hours, you know, you could always comment too, man. I look at all my comments. He said after 10.6K, you might FOMO or just go big on DDEX. What are you gonna do on DDEX with Bitcoin? Like wrap Bitcoin, or are you gonna like long Ethereum, or what? They got Bitcoin futures on there? I thought it was an Ethereum exchange. Let's check out CoinMarketCap. Man, we gotta turn the AC on in my crib, man. Wife should just open the windows and stuff. The AC on? Opening the windows, man. I think it just kicked in, to be honest. I think that's what made me even realize. But yeah, man, Bitcoin up 7%. Wow. Oh, they got wrapped Bitcoin. Okay. It follows the market pretty much, man, but it's a little different. probably just long ETH. I feel you, man. I think that ETH is definitely due for a nice pump. I bought a little bit more ETH today as well, man. I'm buying, you know, pretty much equal amount. Actually, I just realized I only bought I bought half the ETH that I bought of Bitcoin today, and that's not really my strategy. So I might have to throw another little sum at ETH while I got it. And the crazy thing is, I gotta do a little sponsor video, so I earned a little extra Bitcoin. I should have just bought all ETH today. I just realized that. But you know what? It is what it is, man. I'm goody. I'm good. So you don't like how Link hasn't blasted up? Yeah, give it its time, man. Give it its time, yo. Link has like it's starting to get that cult-like following. You know, cryptocurrency as like a group, where like it's a cult, you know what I'm saying? Like, let's call it what it is. Like, it's pretty much a cult. It's definitely just like in religion, there's cults and stuff like that. Like, you know, there's good in it. There's good in religion and all of that stuff, and we won't get into that. Just crypto's the same. Like, there's good in it. You know, you got your Bitcoin, good investments, make your money, but there's cults in this joint. You know, XRP got their cult, Bitcoin Cash, and even Bitcoin for sure. And Chainlink is starting to get one, man. Definitely starting to get one. Hey, Crypto Quarter Crawler, what is goody, bro? Tommy Brown, what is good, my guy? What's up with y'all, man? Lodex said ETH going to 0, just playing. Yeah, ETH. I doubt it. MG Tao said it's like grinding sideways. What you mean? Oh, the Chainlink. Yeah, you know, ain't nothing wrong with some sideways movement, man. Look, Bitcoin's dominance is up to 68%. We talked about it yesterday that it's been going high, and what happens? Dominance goes up, and then Bitcoin probably crashes and brings everything down, or it's gonna start to come down and flood into the alts, man. That's just how it goes. So I'm taking it easy, man. Did I get registered with Unstoppable Domains? No, sir, I have not. I got so much of those little things to do, man. I gotta get that done too, man. Unstoppable Domains is the one that has like multiple cryptocurrency wallets you could use, right? Mastermind says, patiently waiting to see what EOS price does. Man, I wonder too, man. You think EOS is still gonna do good? I mean, it made it. Oh no, it never left the top 10. Yeah, it's been number 9 for a while now. You know, what's going on with EOS, man? I haven't really been following too much, but you know, a lot of people been kind of mad at EOS lately, man. Definitely very cultish over there too. These joints all got cults, man, especially EOS though. Not more than some of these other ones, but definitely one of them. Hey, and I'm no shame over here, man. I was very much a part of the cult with you guys, man. Ready to just sit in the fire, get burned, man. Just sitting around, getting burned. Pause. Just, that's it, you know. Huh? It's crashing? Good, buy more. No, all right, like, that's cult. That's cult-like. I'm very much enjoying this Bitcoin run myself too. I'm definitely loving it, bro. It's just, yo, even when I don't have the biggest bag right now because I'm DCA, but like, it just feels good to just see crypto win, doesn't it? Like, it's like, man, yo, this is just good times for everybody. And I mean, I do have, you know, I got some, so it's really nice, man. It feels positive, you know? It feels positive. 7.23%. It's amazing. All right, let's see. Crypterium, though. Goodness gracious, bro. Over 100%. Wow. 0x, though, man. Like, that's actually a respectable project. It went up like 40-something%. Right now, it's 37.65%. 0x. What happened, dude? Like, this thing went crazy. Just look at the 7-day, because I like to see the curve actually go up. When you look at the 1-day, you don't see it as much. You just see, you know what I mean? A little you still see it, but like when you look at the 7-day, you can see it kind of going sideways and then boom, take off. So that's why I like to look at a little bit more than a day. But yeah, since yesterday was the 6th, right? What's today? Let me check it out. Yeah, today's the 7th. So yesterday it was like 21 cents, a little 21 and a half maybe. And here we are, 32 cents, man. That's fantastic. That is fantastic. Shout out to everybody that holds 0x, because you know 0x is a solid project. So I know there's a lot of people that's been stacking their bags. Crypto and Culture's in the building, man. Shout out to Crypto and Culture. Yo, he did a fire video today, and it's stuff that I actually wanted to like get into, and he found a really good source and put it together a good way, man. So I gotta definitely shout out Crypto and Culture's video from today. Y'all have to check it out no matter what, cause this is the type of information that we need to, like, he called it top 5 altcoins not to buy, but really if you look at the wording here, it's the top 10 crypto index fund experiment. So that's what we really need to be paying attention to, man, is like what cryptocurrency really yields, especially as like an index fund, what we could put together, you feel me? That's the type of content I'm interested in, man. So right now, hey, Otto Banks is in the building, man. Shout out to Otto Banks. Yo, I need to start getting little sound bites and stuff like what's that guy name, man? Like Mitch be having and stuff, man. I think I'm gonna start doing little things just to make the stream better. I haven't done anything to make the stream better in a like couple months because I was lacking for like a month, but I'm gonna start doing stuff to make the stream better, guys. Soon come. I gotta shoot a video tonight. Maybe y'all could help me. What should I talk about? I was thinking about just talking about like 3 altcoin gems, hidden gems, low cap projects or something. But I gotta put out a video and include my sponsor. Somebody hit me up to do sponsored promotion. So 30 seconds, you know, some light. And I gotta put that video out. So I gotta do that tonight, man. I'm on Streamlabs OBS. You said Streamlabs or OBS? I'm on the Streamlabs version of OBS. It works way better for me. The regular OBS wasn't doing it. Riot killed it today. Let's check it out. Is that a crypto or a stock? Probably a stock. Whoa, 21%, man. Riot blockchain. Wow. Oh, these are the people that are gonna be mining, huh? Yeah, that's nice. That's very nice. Very nice. Oh, shout out to I think it was a Mill Cook or it might have been somebody else that said that yesterday. Was talking about Riot. So that's pretty dope. But yeah, they talking about this man Paul Tudor, man. So this guy's like some big time investor, one of the best of the past like 25 years or something like that. He got a net worth of somewhere around $5 billion. So this guy's super rich, great investor. And apparently he says something about buying Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation, which so many people are using this as legitimizing Bitcoin. And it's to the point where, you know, MSNBC, they're all talking about how, you know, this might get other investors to at least take the risk with Bitcoin. One of the specific things they were saying, you know, kind of jokingly but serious, is like, even if Bitcoin were to fail, they'd be like, well, you know, Paul Tudor Jones, he had Bitcoin. So it's like, well, you looking at me like I'm crazy for buying Bitcoin back in those days, those cult-like people. Like, Paul Tudor Jones had it. You know, it's to that point. So I guess this man is really the bag getter, bro. Crypto Culture says, sounds like a time to sell. Hey, if this is a sell signal, I'm good. I'm buying more. I'm buying more. I'm just gonna keep averaging, man. Hey, I got a little bit more Twitter today. You got GoPro? I bought a little bit of Twitter, and I bought Vanguard S&P 500. I only bought 2 stocks today. Weekly, that's what I'm doing, man. I'll do like weekly. I think I'm weekly. I'm definitely doing like 200, which is not the easiest, to be honest, but sometimes I'm able to do a little bit more. So I'll do like, yeah, sometimes I've been doing okay. I've been doing pretty okay, actually. But I'll be trying to do like 200 a week. I'll do like 50-50, either Bitcoin and ETH, or I'll do like 250. Dang, what do I be doing? I know for sure I definitely do 2. So I'll do like 50-50 ETH, Bitcoin, and then I'll do 2 stocks 50-50. So that way I just do $200 worth of investments, keep it even between cryptocurrency and regular stocks, traditional stocks. But what I did though, when I first started it off though, I had like a little bit of extra money, and I started it off by buying a little chunk, and then I've been averaging in ever since. And it's not that easy. I didn't do 50 this week. I did a little more than that for Bitcoin because I was able to, which is just 100. But also I got some sponsor bread, so I got a little bit more than that for Bitcoin this week, which is pretty nice. And the sponsor paid me half up front, so they got zoed. I'm out of here. No, I'm just playing. They gave me half up front, you know, half when I post the video. So yeah, it's pretty valid, man. But that's what I'm doing. So I bought Vanguard S&P 500. That's basically the stock. I could double check if that's the exact name of the stock, but I know Vanguard, they've been doing well for a while. And yeah, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. And then I bought some more Twitter stocks. So how I found who, bro? Oh, how I found the sponsors. Yo, they be reaching out to me, bro. It's crazy. Sometimes they reach out to me, man. Pseudo Greek says stocks are overpriced now. Yo, I've done little. I had times where I've reached out to sponsors and they've been willing to work with me, bro. And I make sure I treat it like I'm talking to somebody at work. Like I do a professional email. You know, I'll say something about their project, about people have been showing interest in their project on my channel, and I'd be interested in doing a partnership. I try to make it sound professional. I erase it, I go back, I write more. You know, I put best regards, low or low key. I don't just say like, hey, would you guys be interested in doing, you know, a sponsored content for me? And sometimes it could be as simple as that. But because I'm a smaller channel, I want them to understand like I got a professional approach. You know what I'm saying? And I think that alone just lets them know like, okay, well, just the way he speaks, you know, he seems like somebody that knows what he's doing, you know? Yeah, gotta be careful. Definitely gotta be careful, man. You know, I haven't very much vetted out the project that I'm gonna be going over, that I'm gonna be sponsoring, promoting tomorrow, and I'll let people know that too. You know, this is at your own risk, man. For a fact, get that bag, man. We got like no funny, bro. We got like what? How many views we really gonna get? You know what I'm saying? Like how many views we gonna get? Like if I was getting 10,000 views, bro, I would go way harder on filtering out sponsorships, but I'm gonna get just a small amount of views, I'm pretty sure. Mr. Lodex said I might buy some JNUG next pullback. It's been outperforming my mining stock BTG, but it also falls harder. What's JNUG? Is that like a Is that a gold mining or something? Yeah, gold miners. I knew it. Whoa. What the heck is that, dude? You gonna buy this? Dude. Dude, it literally made an L. It took an L, bro. This took the hardest L I've ever seen. And it did not bounce back. Is that from the... Oh, okay, that's from February. Okay. Okay. But still, it hasn't bounced back at all. Like, if you look at, you know, S&P 500, like, there's some bounce back going on, man. Yo, Crypto Coach said, what is that, bro? Lodak of all people. Come on, man. SLV. All right, let's check out SLV. I'm hoping to see a little bit of a V on SLV. Oh, silver. Okay. Okay. You know what I mean? It got a little LV going on. All right, this is good. SLV. Little silver. Are they miners as well, or? Because of the leverage. Oh, compared to GDXJ. Dang. Kenji said Lodak trying to get us wrecked. Hey, man. Let's check out this GDXJ. Let's check that out. Oh. Holy cow. These guys really bounced back. These are like no. This is an ETF. No, man, it's been making 6 to 8% swings, bro. Oh, I got you. You trying to get into a trade. That's different. Okay, you getting into a trade. Yeah, this is like another like gold miner thing. ETF though. Y'all be in y'all precious metals, but also be in like the companies behind them, huh? Me, I need to add Twitter up in this BI, man. So I'm in Twitter. It doesn't look good like long term, but I really just caught Twitter. Well, I'm not saying long term it doesn't look good, but it hasn't been the greatest. I think I caught Twitter somewhere around here. Let me check. I just started buying Twitter. Oh, it was late March 31st. So I bought Twitter right over here. Since then, it's been doing pretty good, man. It's been keeping me okay. I bought a little bit of Tesla right after he tweeted something about what's it called? Stock being overpriced, and then it went down 10%, and I was like, yoink. Thanks Elon Musk. Do you like work? Is that a crypto? Is that a stock? Is that my job? I love my job. Work. Slack Technologies. Oh man, I hope y'all don't think that I'm looking at these and I'm like, yeah, this looks like it bottomed out over here, and like I'm not doing none of that stuff. I'm just kind of looking at just to look with you guys. I'm just looking just because we having a convo, but I don't really know much about Slack. Slack, like I know Slack. Yeah. Slack. Yeah. I've never used them or anything like that, but they got a guy with a gap on there, so you know it's pretty legit, you know. Never really used Slack though. Yeah, I know it's something. Okay, yeah, all right. I don't know much about it, but I've heard of this many times. About to break out. Wow, look at that. They definitely had a good day. Up 8% today. That's pretty nice. Yeah, they definitely had a good day. That's nice. But yeah, I wouldn't be able to tell you where they're going. I think that a lot of these software companies are gonna be able to bounce back quicker than a lot of these other companies. Man, we're getting there. About to hit that 10K mark. Oh, let me let y'all see. 10,000. Come on. All right, there you go. Wanted to make sure I got it before it changed. Man, 10,000. Look, are we fighting it? Come on, stop fighting it, man. Stop fighting it, baby. Status, yeah, S&T. Had a good day, man. It's crazy because we was just, you know, well, we was talking about it because it was on our radar, but you know, once the Shill squad joined Status, it was over after that. Like, why'd I just go to that? I wanted to go to the 7-day. Hey, so we could have been picking this up at 2 cents, 50% gain on our money earlier, just like a week ago. Almost a 50% gain. A lot of these coins, man, they doing okay, man. Auto Bank said, y'all not gonna get paid off BTC. Cut it out, LOL. What you mean? You don't think Bitcoin is gonna pop off, bro? In the long run? Think we should just trade alts? I'm not a trader, so I think Bitcoin, I think long term it's good. What I want to definitely do a study on and try to maybe even make a video about is you know, looking at Bitcoin on like a monthly chart or something like that, and maybe going back to like 2017, around when I came in, at least, which was like around here. Yeah, I think it was like around here. And like what you would have if you average like every month dollar cost average at the top price. You know, I'm not gonna go down to the weekly or the daily and go through every single one of those candles. Maybe weekly, but that's still a lot of years. If I do weekly, I could maybe do 1 year, but the monthly like this, that's enough candles that I could do, you know, like 36 candles or so, not even probably, and just find out, like, man, if I would have put like, you know, an average of, let's say, $50 a week, so $200 at the top price of each month, you know, where would my profits be now? How much Bitcoin I would have got for each of these top prices, top closing price. Does that even make sense? The tops would be technically the wicks, especially on a monthly. I'll figure it out, but I basically want to get, you know, add it all up, find out how much Bitcoin I would have got for throwing in the same amount of money, you know, here, and see how far I'd be. Would I have a whole Bitcoin, $50 a week, if I was just, you know, doing dollar cost average? Because the FOMO kicks in, and then people just FOMO kicks in, and people just do irrational moves, man. Joe Smith says next split it will be 20,000. You think 20,000 is gonna happen this year, bro? FOMO, here we come. Yeah, there's a lot of FOMO going on, guys. It's not just a halving. Like, there's a pandemic going on while the halving is occurring, and we're printing so much money. And it's not just here in the United States, it's all around the world. They're printing so much money. What was the country that just like cut some of their zeros off of their yo, crypto culture is crazy. Time to sell. No, it's not time to sell. It is just time to continue to average in, bro. Flash the smoke, man. What up, bro? What's goody, man? At 15K, it will jump with all the money printing. QE forever. This guy said Zimbabwe. Oh boy. Yo, it's really real out there, man. What was it? Was it like Iran or Iraq? Yeah. Yeah, there you go. So, with inflation ravaging currency, Iran is changing names and numbers. The real unit, the rial, or however you say that, unit of currency, which has lost much of its value against the dollar, will be replaced by the Toman, which government says will be worth 10,000 rials. So these guys are basically slashing. Guys, yo, they're basically slashing like 4 zeros, bro, off of their currency, man. They're saying it's worth 10,000, bro. All new type of currency, bro. Like, yeah, like Joe Smith said, a reset of currency. This is crazy. But YouTube Plandemic Part 1. Okay. Said this might not be the place, but is that on YouTube? Yo, you said YouTube, yeah. Alright. So this is definitely ba-bing. Alright. If Flash says to check this out, then I know for a fact that this joint must be like next level. So I'ma definitely check this out. I don't even want to forget it. I'm gonna add it to the... Oh, I didn't even know. That's not what I meant to do. But now it should be in my history at least. Alright. I'm gonna check this out for a fact. But yeah, man. Guys, you see what's going on, man. You see what's going on with money, man. Like, Iran. They're coming up with a new currency. It's over out here, man. It's over. Iran, Venezuela, Zimbabwe, what other countries right now? Argentina is having a crisis. I mean, there's other countries that are also like, you know, they're I did the whole video, man. Debt to GDP, man. Italy is looking bad. Japan is looking bad. Like, come on, man. Come on. It's looking ugly out there. Emil Cook, what up, bro? Shout out to you, man. Thanks for coming back to the stream. Y'all see what's going on though, guys. Like, currency crisis everywhere, man. I don't know why I'm putting this on, but let's put a hat on, man. There's a currency crisis everywhere, man. We gotta make this work somehow, man. Nah, it's already all the way. Dang, I got a big head. This hat is already open all the way. I know my headphones is on, but I'm just, the fact that it's open all the way to begin with, I didn't know my head was that big. Let's try that. Let's see if it hangs like this. Wagwan. Look, man. If Paul Tudor Jones, this guy I have no clue about, says Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation, then I'm going all in, all right? Because of this guy I've never heard of. MG Tao says King Dollar, Fed funds going negative in December 2020 according to futures. Really? Yeah, I heard something about them not raising interest rates for like 5 years. Let's see. I've seen something about that. I don't know if that was like true or not. I was hoping I could find somewhere. Wow, freaking Capital One talking about savings account 1.5%. Bruh. Is that real? $25,000 deposit. 1.5%. That's more than freaking Coinbase is paying for USD coin. BTC at 10K. You was waiting for another dip. Yeah, man, it had just tickled 10K. It tickled 10K, and here we are. Can't be waiting for those dips, man. I just this morning I hit my little DCA. I caught it in the 9s. I caught it in the 9s. Who don't have women problems? Pimps. So I ask, who doesn't have money problems and why? That sounds mad. Yeah, he said sorry drinking Tito's. Oh man. On the low though, pimps got all the women problems, bro. They just know how to handle them in a way that most of us aren't willing to go out and do. So what about the money problems? We gotta be willing to go out there and handle it in ways that most people aren't willing to. Okay, Lodak asks, how did I get those percentages next to the videos when you search pandemic? That's because I have vidIQ. You can see it right over here, probably. vidIQ. So that's what helps me with YouTube data and stuff. Like I could go, for example, let's go to pandemic, and I don't know if you'll see it when I pull it off the screen like this. But basically I could, look at tags and stuff like that. Find out what tags this person don't got. No video tags. That's ridiculous. Graham Stephan.
What's up, guys? It's Graham.
I can see what tags he has, and these are all his video tags. And this helps me with ranking and stuff, man. These are his channel tags. In fact, I think I have cryptocurrency in my channel tags, and I think I'm gonna take it out because it seems like they're shadow banning crypto content creators. I don't know if that's true, but a lot of people are saying that. People that don't really necessarily rock with each other. So I think I might change my channel tags, but it gives you all that information. So vidIQ, man. Solid tool right there, and it's free. If I own the women, I'm willing to handle them. Another time. Yeah, I think that's good enough. He said another time. Yeah, that might be a good spot to leave it at. Might be a good little spot to leave it at. All right, let me stop being goofy though. Stop being a little goofy over here. But anyway, man, there's currency crisis going on everywhere, man. We see what's going on, man. Argentina, Venezuela, Iran, Zimbabwe. I know there's some countries I'm definitely forgetting. And we're printing money like crazy, man. And right now the interest rates are definitely a lot lower. There you go. There we go, Bitcoin. $10,003. 30 something dollars, excuse me. 10,034, 35. Let's check out the chart. Where the chart at, low? No. There we go. Let's go. So we going, man. We going. So what's the overhead resistance? Is it somewhere over here? It's definitely in this area. So 10,300 to 10,400-ish. Let's just go ahead and put it at this closing over here. So this is the overhead resistance that we're looking at. We can see where these closed. We can see where we had some struggles here. In fact, you know, we kind of started coming back down. You can see where we wicked at over here. It's definitely an area that we want to pay attention to for overhead resistance. And like I said, I am really not the TA guy. It's just some obvious things that, you know, we could look at. This line has not changed from my chart for months. It's literally just been sitting here. I finally started streaming again. I opened this back up and it's like, oh, there goes the same resistance that we needed to break to begin with. You know, obviously we've been kind of doing good. This was a real supernatural wick over here, you know, crisis wick. You know, that's what this is, the crisis wick. That's what I'm gonna call it. And the crisis wick was never supposed to happen. So yeah, we've been kind of doing this pattern. But the thing is though, look at this large wick that we had breaking through this resistance, and then now we're having like another large one. If we break through this one, it's game time. But what's going on some of the other indicators? Let me see. No, wrong thing. And now I don't even know how to get rid of this out of my way, man. That's annoying. Hey, Lodak, man, where are you when I need you, man? Somebody said 88 pumping. Bro. Man, where's some of my stuff at, man? All right, let's there you go. So we are off the charts on the RSI. That's the only thing. So it does look like, you know, overbought right now. Let's check what it looks like on the weekly. So on the weekly, we still looking like we're in the safe territory. Let's check the month. I mean, I don't know about the monthly. I don't know who looks at the RSI on a monthly. You know, I don't think nobody ever does that. But on a daily, we are overbought, but that doesn't really mean much. You know, we had that earlier, well, last year, many times that we went into overbought territory and we bounced back up and went again. Don't mean nothing to me. Emil Cook asked, what is the RSI? It's the relative strength index, and it kind of gives you an idea of when cryptocurrency, well, not cryptocurrency, excuse me, when any of these cryptos, stocks, anything is giving you a fair price, or if it's being overbought, you'll see it go over the top. If it's being oversold, you'll see it go under the bottom. And when it's kind of trading through here, it doesn't really always tell you whether or not it's a good buy or a good time to sell. But when you see it break through these lines, you usually expect it to get back in here. I don't know all of the data behind it on how it comes together. It's kind of like volume, but not the same thing. It's not the same thing as volume. Actually, I wouldn't even say it's kind of like volume. It's a little different. The Winchester event? What is that? Crypto quarter crawler said 88 pumping. I forgot they don't have it on Coinbase. Yeah, ADA, huh? Let's check it out. CoinMarketCap. Nice, 7%. Okay, so some of the cryptos in the top 10 are starting to get there, or is it just ADA? Okay, just ADA so far. Dang, Bitcoin doing good. ETH doing pretty good too. This is what's up, man. This is definitely a good day, man. Stocks did good today too. Matt said best way to buy USDC is on Coinbase for free. Trade that for WBTC on Kyber and then open vault. I don't have any ADA. Robert MacLeod. Pardon me if I didn't say your last name right, but Robert Mac said to look at 0x. Yeah, we was looking at, you know, on Coinbase earlier, CoinMarketCap earlier. Yeah, shout out to everybody that got the 0x though, man. They don't have. They don't get the USD on Coinbase. Wow. What the hell? That just looks so crazy. Whoa. Goodness gracious, dude. At one point it was where? Like, at one point it was, damn, only almost 70%, dude. Goodness. It wicked all the way up to 70%, and then today it wicked up from just what? Yesterday? Today it's gotten to the point of 56% since yesterday, and right now it's somewhere around 48% since yesterday. That's insane. Lodex said he got 0x in one of his wallets somewhere. It's probably one of your bigger holdings now. Crypto Quarter Crawler says next resistance 10,500. Maybe for psychological reasons, but I would say the next resistance is definitely this 10,300 area. I mean, like 10,000 mid threes, maybe even 10.4. I guess. Yeah. And then more resistance at 11,000. Like, that's the thing. Like, the way it comes cycling down, it just creates a whole bunch of overhead resistance on the way back up, man. Yeah, status went up today, man. Yo, Mills, shout out to you, man. And Mills sent me a little something to get my ETH name. So I was supposed to do that today when I got home, man. I didn't even do that yet. I'm tired as hell, matter of fact. But I gotta I'm gonna definitely get out of here on time today because I gotta shoot a little video. I don't even know still don't know what I want to talk about, but you know, that's what it is when you accept sponsorships. So gotta get that bag, man. Get to the bag, man. That's what it's about. Matter of fact, something I didn't look at today was my YouTube studio. Check where we're at with the watched hours. Okay, subs are the same. I think I lost one. 3515. That's what's up. So I'm getting there. 4,000 minus 3515. 485, man. We getting there, peoples. We getting there, man. We're gonna get monetized, and that'll be nice when I get monetized. You know, it might be a small amount of money every month, but if I could make a buck a month, 200 a month, something like that, that could be a nice, you know, another investment right there. You know what I'm saying? That's really what I would do with it. I don't got nothing else to do with it, so it's about to be litty. It's definitely about to be litty. I just seen Big Cuzzle hit me up. I'm gonna hit him back in a moment. But yeah, man. Yeah, Bitcoin as a hedge. Oh, did I leave that? Yeah, Bitcoin as a hedge. I 100% agree with this, obviously, because, you know, we're in Bitcoin. But I'm not surprised that it's coming out now. You know, all this news that's going on. This was just May 4th. This was just the other day. All right. So all this news coming out, man. This guy who's a big time investor, he's talking about this. I done seen a lot of people, like, let's see, Arthur Hayes. I seen Arthur Hayes talk about this. Look, Paul Tudor Jones just removed career risk from investing in Bitcoin. Expect a lot of beta fund managers to begin cooking some copy pasta. There you go. This is basically the same message that I'm seeing a lot of people saying about Paul Tudor Jones. He must really hold a lot of weight, a lot of status. So I'm excited to see it, man. Hopefully that really does play out that way, you know. You bought it in 2018. Oh man. Like I said, he bought his 0x in 2018, so he's still underwater. Damn, bro. Anything he bought in 2018, it's quiet for that. It's super quiet for that. But Matt Sandstrom said we need to find these before they pump. That's the risk. ETN, Electronium. Wow. Looks like you missed it already. It might be all it's getting. Nah, there was a lot of people that believed in Electronium, and I had spoke about it in one of my videos before. And 6 ways, what was it? 6 ways to make money, crypto with no money, or something like that. Let's see. I did something about it. Yep, earn crypto with no money, and Electronium was one of those coins, but it was just basically about yo, it's free, just take it. It's a very small amount of money, but it's just take it. Yeah, Lone Sigma, I'm right there with you, bro. Good day, man. Very good day. Good day for stocks. Good day for crypto. It just makes me feel all around good for everybody, man. But anyway, guys, I'm pretty much about ready to wrap this thing up. I gotta spend some time, shoot this little video, edit it, get it posted by tonight, and I'm still gotta get to bed to get to work in the morning, man. So I appreciate y'all all coming through, man. Y'all know what it is. Hit that like button on your way out if you don't mind. And I will catch you guys on the next vid. I am out of here. Peace.